Recognizing students is definitely one of the most important things that we do. By doing that, we increase the motivation, we increase the likelihood that they're going to achieve at a much higher level. This is Wes Hickey, Director of the School of Education at the University of Texas at Tyler, and in this Weekly 5 we want to talk about using research-based strategies to praise students. Now, I know all of us praise students at different points over time, and I remember one of the times when I was superintendent, I saw a student doing something beyond what was expected. And I wrote an article for a paper on a regular basis, and so what I did was call the parent and ask if it's okay if I use the student's name in the particular article. And I remember even then that when they received a call from the school that the parent was rushing there and thought that something was wrong, that maybe the student was in trouble, and when you ask them, is it okay if you recognize them for some of the good stuff that they're doing, it really gets the parents and the kids on your side. But research also shows how to do that. And there are a few things that we need to be aware of. One is it has to be sincere. You have to have a good reason for what you're doing right there. You can't just make something up and try to praise them in a way that you don't really mean it. You have to be sincere about what you're doing. Now, I always believe that if we look at our students, we can always find something that they're doing very, very well, even our tough students. And so, but it has to be a sincere praise. It has to be specific. You have to make sure that the student knows exactly what they're being praised about. The idea also is to focus on the process, and this kind of goes into the growth mindset that many of you guys are using, is that by focusing on the process instead of focusing on some particular talent that they have, then you increase the likelihood that that'll continue on. It needs to be immediate. If you do it too far after the behavior occurred, then they don't really have that connection that you're looking for. And it has to be something that's unexpected, that you go up there and make sure that they're praised when they don't know that it's about to come on. And so this is what the research says, that when you praise students is going to make a difference and really impact them in a meaningful way. But the truth of the matter is that really and truly everybody wants to be great. And so if we will take the time to make sure that we use these research-based practices to recognize our students when they do well, I think it's going to increase the likelihood that they're going to achieve beyond our wildest expectations. And here at UT Tyler, let us know what we can do, and remember to inspire and educate, be architects of human potential.